mobile app Google Store Pangbiragani. You may also download the Kutsem Live mobile app from Google Store and then keep it in your mobile phone to watch any live events covered by Kutsem Live. Kutsem Live na covered by any live event adomna YouTube ta login taudragasu adomgi phone da. If in case if your phone is an Android phone or if it is a smartphone, you may download the app Kutsem Live app from Google Store and use it to watch any live coverage by Kutsem Live from around the Manipur. All right, so this is a penultimate performance by none other than Christina.
Yes, presenting. Ooh. Hello, boys. Who wants to go to the prom with me?
Lovely.
Music system changing. Music system changing.